Hey guys, Steve here. In today's video, this is day 10, right? In today's video, what we want to talk about, we want to continue to talk about our journey of using the My Lead Gen Secret platform, which gives you 100 to 200 leads a day for $30 a month. That's $1 a day. It's like a penny a lead, right? It gives you these leads and a platform that will allow you to email your whole email list that you accumulate within the system. You know, from the every day they give you 100, 100, 100, or 200 leads a day. That accumulates, and you can broadcast that list once every 24 hours. You can broadcast any opportunity you want, right? You can send free opportunities, preferably, because if you're on a budget, you just sign up for the My Lead Gen Secret, $30 a month. Then you use like Clickbank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Share a Sale, Amazon, whatever, all these free affiliate marketing networks, and just promote their products. So you never have to have stack in the back room, and you have a platform that you can use to email blast out these leads. And yes, the leads buy. Yes, they convert. You just have to be patient, one, consistent, number two. You know what I mean? And three, you got to work on that mindset. You just got to be diligently doing the same thing every day to get results. I mean, you do the same thing every day when you go to work, right? I mean, come on now. But people seem to think that you don't have to do that when you do online stuff. I mean, I go to work every day, right? I do the same thing. I mean, it may have different variations of it, but ultimately, it's the same task repetitively. I do it because I'm getting paid to do it. Guess what? Once you start making money online, you'll see that you do these repetitive tasks, you'll start generating additional income. But anyway, I got off on a rant. But today what we're going to do is we're going to take a sneak peek inside the Facebook, private Facebook group of My Lead Gen Secret. We're going to go over the compensation plan of My Lead Gen Secret. Then we're going to take a look at our stats and jump into Clickbank and send our next offer. Okay? So anyway, without further ado, let's take a look in the private Facebook group of My Lead Gen Secret. All right. So here's the My Lead Gen Secret private Facebook group. Right now, there's 5,000 members. There's different announcements up here. As you can see, every Friday they have a lead swap where you download your leads from the My Lead Gen Secret platform and upload those new weekly leads that you get. People also people ask their questions. They provide proof that the system is working for them. Like, for instance, John McGinnis, congratulations. Yesterday, he posted a screenshot of his results, and he says, "Hi, everyone. This is a great site. I love seeing people do well on here. I thought I would share my own results. I have been using My Lead Gen Secret for 3 weeks now." So he's been using it for 3 weeks, and these are the results. On December 4th, he got a commission. On December 8th, he got another commission. And on December 16th, he got a commission. I mean, totally, that's like 3 months worth of he could pay for like almost 3 months of the My Lead Gen Secret, right? It's because that's 60, 80. That's about 90, but that's 3 months worth of My Lead Gen Secret will be paid for, and the rest is all commission, right? That he can make. So if he gets more sales, which is awesome, right? So anyway, let's continue to go down the page here. You got people saying congratulations. Like I said, congratulations, John. Then you have Michael asking questions. You got Tony Wicks asking questions about, you know, what does RA, RC mean in the back office under next to the affiliate commissions. And Reed, who is the admin of the group, the group expert, as you can see, he answers the questions, right? He's, you know, everybody comes here, asks questions, you know, you really get attention here. Here is where I posted my results from the other day. They do convert, keep emailing daily. I believe that. Just keep emailing daily. A lot of people say, "Hey, what's up? Congrats." Here's another quick question about this. He says, "I'm very new to this. In fact, I've only been doing this for 11 days. I'm very patient and fully understand it may take a while to sell. Does anyone use more than Clickbank to sell from?" Yeah, like Warrior Plus, etc. I know that my MMO, Make Money Online, will work. I'm here for the long haul and don't want to run out of things to promote. Any info on that? You could also consider selling the systems. I mean, you could do everything, right? Just to touch on this question, that's what we're going through in this video. We promoted Warrior Plus in it. We promoted Clickbank in it. I promoted multiple income funnel in it and got success. And there's other people who promote different opportunities. You can promote My Lead Gen Secret itself to the My Lead Gen Secret list. So it's really not that hard to pick an offer. And if you're trying to start a business, you know what I mean? You want to start and get your presence known online. Like I always keep saying, sign up for My Lead Gen Secret and record your progress going through the steps every day, sending out your email, picking an offer, and that'll actually build up your YouTube channel, which you can use to drive free traffic, and also it'll help you get recurring income in My Lead Gen Secret platform. So anyway, as you go down, congrats Angie. She's having success in the My Lead Gen Secret. Frank, congrats to you. He's submitted 2,800 leads. Like I said, you can upload 1 week's worth of leads into the lead swap. Typically it's 1 week's worth because every week they do it, right? You don't want to just download 60,000 leads every week and upload 60,000 leads. That's ridiculous, right? So they do that every week. The lead swap, more information can be found in the group, and to get access to the group, you can just click on the link below. So anyway, look at Ed. Congrats, Ed. Look how much he made since he started. I know he's been in it for a few years already, but he's made a total of almost $20,000 just using this platform by itself. That's awesome, right? That shows you that this is a income producing platform. So anyway, that's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek behind here. Let's jump over to My Lead Gen Secret. Like I said, 100 to 200 leads a day, just for just for $30 a month. So what we'll do is we'll take a quick look at the compensation plan. Compensation plan, like I said, you have different levels. Your first sign up you'll get $5 a month, and then 100 leads a day, right? And then for every first level sign up, you'll get $5. If your sign up gets a sign up, you'll get $4 from that. And then it trickles on down, then 3, then 2, then 1. If you get 5 signups in a week, you get a $100 bonus. If you get 25 signups in a week, you get what? $500. That's right. So that's how that works, right? So anyway, that's how the affiliate plan works. And you can cash out via PayPal, or I think get a check in the mail, or Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin's an option as well. So anyway, let's look at our stats real quick. Today is the 18th. Yesterday, we sent out a broadcast on the 17th. We threw them $ in the subject line. And as you can see, compared to this line here, which is still low, we are already here with 164 clicks. Let's look at it. People are still clicking, right? Since we sent it out on the 17th, they've been clicking all day today. And I guess where the server is, they're still clicking on it still, right? So everybody's, we're getting clicks, we're getting opens. Look at where the line is here. It was down here the other day. It was on a decline, but it jumped back up. So we got almost 4,000 opens off of yesterday's email, right? And prior to that, on the 16th, we had 3,900, just barely touching 4,000, but I think it'll hit 4,000 probably because it's still getting clicks. I think it'll hit 4,000. And mind you, what we did is to get more opens and clicks. What we did was a strategy of putting a dollar figure in the subject line, and that's all we did. And it really made the open rate spike. But even when we said $40, look, that still wasn't a lot, right? But when we said 1,000, 150, even 600, all of a sudden we start getting a whole bunch more opens. So that's something to keep your mind on as far as a strategy in order to get opens. Now, if you want to zoom in and see where the clicks are taking place, we can hit right here. So on the 14th, whatever we sent, right, caused 346 clicks. Look at that. So we're going to repeat this one. So we're going to use probably one of these emails, but with the body of this email, because that right there on the 14th is this. So that's going to be our strategy for today. Now we're going to take a subject line from one thing and mix it with the body email message of a different one and see if we can repeat this high peak of opens with this high number of clicks. You know, that's what this data is for. You know, you can use it to your advantage. So anyway, let's jump over to Clickbank real quick and see the results. Clickbank. Oh, I think I got it open. Hold on. Down here. Yep. Right here. Boom. I knew it was somewhere around here. So let me fix my screen so we can easily jump between. where we need to, what the heck, my mouse, here we go, boom, here we go, here's Clickbank. Now what we do is we are going to log in here, boom, log in. Let's adjust this to our screen. Okay, so we're logged in. We still only got $12 from the 15th, right? We haven't got any more sales. Bummer, boo. But like I said, we know that what we're doing is working because why? We did get sales only with the My Lead Gen Secret Leads. Now let's go to reporting. Now remember, we put some tracking on some of those links. So we got a total of 870 clicks or hops, right, from this one offer. We got another 131 here, another 96 here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and I'm going to hit tracking ID. And this will show us those tracking date tags that we got here. Hold on. Yeah, sorry. I had to stop for a minute. But, okay, so the stats were here. So you can see, what's today, the 18th? So yesterday was the 17th. We had 107 clicks just from the 17th from that offer because we put the tracking code in there. You know, mine as well. So you can gauge which, like for some reason, whatever we sent on the 15th, right, only got 79 clicks. And let's go back and look at the stats. On the 15th, we sent this one. Do you have bad luck, right? That one didn't get a lot of clicks. And if we compare it to what we had in Clickbank here, it was only at 79 hops, right? What I'm curious about is where did that sale come from? What day was that sale? So let's jump back over to the dashboard real quick. That sale came on the 15th. But it didn't come. Okay. Hold on. But it did not come from the email that I sent on the 15th. It came from the email that I sent MGS that I obviously mistyped. Or no, MLGS. It came from one of these two. See, I didn't put the tracking on there. Right. So I need to track it next time better. You know, besides putting just MLGS, I need to put the date so then I can pinpoint the exact day that I had that success on. And so then when you track it like that, then you can make it when you track it, when you have the data, then you can pinpoint where you had that success so you can, guess what? Repeat that success, right? So now you know, okay, I sent this email on this day, right? Let me do that again. And maybe I can repeat those same results, right? And that's kind of why tracking and documenting is good for any business, actually. So we're on an upclimb with ticks. We're over 213 hops for these particular offers. So anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to keep this one easy, and I want to show you how easy it can be. We've already decided we're going to use the same offer, right? We're just going to use the same offer. And I said that we're going to narrow it in on, I know that this one we sent yesterday instantly got a lot of clicks, right? We're going to go to the day of the 16th right here, which is still climbing, almost 4,000 clicks, or we're going to go to the copy and paste. Let's see what this one is. This one was a short and sweet one. So what we're going to do here is we're going to reuse this one. I'm just letting you know, we're going to reuse this one from the 14th, right? And the offer was the social media one. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to mailing system. We're going to go to our saved emails. I'm going to scroll down to that one, which was this one, copy and paste for extra 600 bucks. I'm going to hit load. And as you can see, it's going to automatically load our email, right? With the subject line and everything. So I'm going to come down here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to this link. And I'm going to go to the tracking ID. And here I'm going to put 12/18 because I want to know about this specific date, so that when we go back to our tracking here, we'll be able to see the date, that particular date, how many clicks, how many, and if we get a sale, that it came from that direct email on that date. So we can really track it. And then we'll also see the stats, right? So I changed that to MLGS and I hit OK. Oh, MLGS, what did I say? The 18, 12/18. And I'm going to hit OK. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up this. I want to show something else again. So what I'm going to do is put something else that's trackable. I'm going to put here, I'm going to say, grab your free no BS ebook. Oh, no, like this. Yeah, grab your free no BS blueprint. Your no BS 6 figures 6 months blueprint here. Grab your free no BS 6 figures and 6 month blueprint here. Let's put space. Okay, so that's gonna be that, and I'm gonna jump over to my this over here, boom. Let's go over here to these links here. I'm gonna put this this no BS blueprint here, which is right here. It's a free ebook, right? And we'll use the video sales letter. Yeah, we'll just go here and use this video sales letter, and I'll show you what it is. It basically is an offer that gives you a free ebook, right? But the ebook is actually, when you click here to download, it's an opt-in form. So we're going to see if we can pull some opt-ins using an opt-in form into My Lead Gen Secret. See if we can pull in some leads into our multiple income funnel using a free lead magnet, which is the book here. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to grab this URL. I'm going to jump back over to My Lead Gen Secret. I'm going to put that right here. Right here, and I'm going to here, and I'm going to go here, and I'm going to put a tracking code forward MLGS 1218, so that when it pops up, we'll be able to see the date that opt-in comes in when we take a look in the back office. Okay, so now we got that in here, we got the link in here. We only made one adjustment, and that was the PS line. Grab your free no BS 6 figures and 6 months blueprint here, right? So then we got that. So anyway, so that was all I wanted to do. Let's wrap this up. Hit perfect timing. Hit select all leads. We're gonna email 66,500. Everything is here. Everything is here. Subject line. Now we're gonna come down here. Let me look at preview real quick. I just want to hover over this, make sure my link is correct. Come over here and check my link is correct, and then hit close, and we're gonna hit send, and that's it. So that's all we did today. We resent the letter so we can see the stats, right? Oh yeah, okay. So we resent the letter so we can see the stats. Let me jump back to the mailing system. As you can see, we have down here at the bottom, we got 22 hours and 59 minutes till the next email. Now let's go over to the stats so you can see it did send 1218. It sent today. Copy and paste for 600. We're going to compare it to this one where we got almost 4,100 clicks with the open rate and click rate here. We're trying to see if we can repeat these results right here. You see how that spiked with 346 clicks? So we're going to try to repeat that again because that looks like it's a hot one, okay? So that's what we're going to try to start doing, is repeating some of the same subject lines, same bodies, see if we can duplicate results, right? And see if we can get any sales, because that's what it's about, right? So anyway, that's all that I got. That's all I got. We just wanted to go over the stats. We wanted to go over the Clickbank. We wanted to show how we can use the same emails over again and get hopefully the same results, right? Or even better. But anyway, that's all that I got. If you got any comments, drop them in the comment box below. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for hanging out. I'm out.